everyone, so I'm here today to do a little craft with me, and this is a Christmas craft. I know I'm really early, can't believe I've actually made something to do with Christmas and it's still September. So anyway, I was inspired by actual like wall feature Christmas plaques which I found come across on Pinterest. So and obviously I come across the smaller like bauble type ones, so I thought I would give it a go. So I'm going to make one, but I'll just show you the ones that I've made so far. So they're really easy. I have used, you know, the card envelope things you get from Amazon, right? So I've cut out 2 circles with them. You can do any shape you like. So I've done 2 of the large ones here. I've used my stamps. I'll quickly show you the stamp collections in a minute. I've used digital Christmas paper. I believe it's from ARTYmaze. It's stuff that I had printed out from last Christmas. I've used some ribbon, some fluffy trim, and these are so quick and easy. You could, you know, if you've got like a Cricut or something, you could maybe do the vinyl words, and that would be really nice as well. I am actually planning on trying to make something digital so that you can just print them out and pop them onto shapes. So I made 2 smaller ones. So that says walking in a winter wonderland, Merry Christmas. The smaller ones, deck the halls, peace on earth. Then it's snow place like home, and obviously I've just popped on some, I've got to trim that down. I've kept the back plain because I didn't know how these were going to turn out. So maybe if I make more, well, I'm going to make one, but when I make more I'll back it with something, maybe with some lined paper, which would be nice to maybe put a little note on and hang it on the tree. Don't know. Just some string there, and this one, rocking around the Christmas tree, again with the ribbon and the fluffy trim. I've got a massive bag of that. So I can't actually, like, I've got a few bits ready to make one with, and 2 circles which I will glue together. These are the scrappy pieces that I've got to cover it with, and let me see if I can find, right, this stamp set I used, I don't know who makes this, haven't got a clue. I think I got this in a magazine, a card magazine years ago. I used Deck the Holes and Peace on Earth, because that actually comes off of there like so. And then I used this one here, which is from Daisy Dandelion. I can't, is it, I haven't got, well, my glasses are on my head. I haven't got my glasses on. It's by Doll Crafts, and I used this, and that was the only, I really did pull out a lot of Christmas stamps, but I only used them to my bag of a fluffy trim. I've got that was my Christmas stuff. I've got a big bag of ribbon somewhere, Christmas ribbon, and can I find it? No, I can't. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to talk now, I'm just going to, obviously we need some glue, okay? I'm just going to craft doing this, and you'll see what I'm doing, and I'll just play some music in the background. you go. Look how quick and easy that was to make, and you could sit and make loads of them. Would be good actually to put maybe names, like family member names and things like that, like Merry Christmas, and you could put, say, like I could put Lily or Oliver or Alfie or something like that on there. So yeah, there we go, easy peasy. Thanks for watching.